Shefali Hariravani.
This feels like a Viva where I have to go first as always. Hi everyone, it's nice to meet you all, and I hope you and your families are keeping safe. It's a pleasure to be here today and talk to you all. And so COVID-19 is like we are facing unprecedented times, right? And there hasn't been a scenario like this in a very long time, and hence the struggle is real for everybody. As Anu ma'am said, I will talk to you about what are the changes that we are facing right now, and what, according to me, are the key changes that the industry is going to face, and how should we pivot to be able to, stay relevant in this scenario. So I think a lot of companies right now are pivoting, to work from home scenario, and probably all the alumni in the call right now are working from home. So it's been a great change in our lives. We're not able to go to the office, and we're just doing our work from home as well as taking care of our families. So it's been quite a change for all of us. The way we work, the power of our community. We're not able to meet our colleagues face to face. So it's a change for all of us. The way the industry is going to change. So I come from a background where I work in the digital marketing industry, and of course, we are seeing a lot of things changing. So I'll give you an example of the travel industry and the tourism industry because I'm associated with them. So the travel industry has completely disrupted, right? Big companies like Airbnb are now laying off people because they don't see tourism and travel happening in the near future. While before users used to plan their journeys ahead 6 months or 3 months, now they're doing it only like on a weekly basis. So all these industries are now laying off, and they don't need as much people because they don't know when will the industry come back to arise. And there are of course other industries like the entertainment industry, which is actually seeing a boom in things. Like if you look at Netflix and Voot, etc., they're seeing a boom in things because a lot of people are staying inside the house right now. So of course there will be a lot of changes in all the industries, and I'm sure the other alumni who are working in different industries can give their perspective as well. I think the way that we can stay relevant is, of course, there's going to be a recession and the economy is going to be unstable for some time. So while some of us have jobs and some of us don't, what is most important is to keep building on your skills and see what's going to be of the most need in the market, and keep preparing yourself for those things, whether they are soft skills, knowledgeable skills, attitudinal skills, or transferable skills. You should keep preparing for those. Yeah, I think that's my view. Maybe we can talk more after somebody else has spoken. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Aarti. I think Manisha is here, and Manisha Aswani, she has to join a meeting at 1 o'clock. So I would request Manisha to please join. Manisha?
Hi everyone, Manisha here. So I'm one of you. I have passed out from 2017 batch from CIT, and currently I'm put up at Delhi working as a senior technical analyst in Aon India. So yes, as Aarti said, that most of us are currently working from home and serving our clients working from home. So yeah, there are many changes which we are facing currently due to this pandemic, COVID-19. Um, but sorry, I think there is some disturbance. Yeah. So I just wanted you to know, I just wanted to pass one message that there is no denying that anything material costs money. But the fact remains that eventually the cost of the experience will be forgotten, but experience never. So I just want all of you guys to stay at home, to upgrade your skills so that you can make it worth once we have a good times after all this pandemic is gone. And so, what if there is an economic recession? Let it be, but there not be a recession to the quality of your life. I would say it is the best time that you train yourself being at home, create leadership availability, and gear up for the wonderful time when they will arrive. And yes, aspect like your health, knowledge development, and spiritual growth are not economy dependent. This time will also pass, and the economy will revive. currency will soon be current again. And in all this, I don't want you to look back and realize that you did nothing but wallow in gloom. So just make the best use of this time while staying at home. And I just want to share one last message with you all, that make a statement with the way you live your life. How I feel has nothing to do with how much I have. And for sure, you'll grow in your life. So all the best to you all for your future. And I wish the best for you all. Thank you so much for inviting me to this platform and to share my views. All the good lucks, buddies. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Manisha. And let me tell you all that now Tejas sir is also with us. Tejas sir, if you are there, please. Our alumni are here if you have to say something.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is so nice to see. I was just going through the videos of all these alumni, and it is I'm so happy to see you all. And this is anyways, those you all people are special. You all, whenever I see you, I have been seeing Neeral, I've been seeing Aarti, I am also seeing Nikhil. And actually, I do a lot of these things on Zoom, so it is very easy to find videos in this. Actually, there is a bit difficulty, but I'm seeing these people and I feel so good when I see you all. And to the students that are studying right now, these are the gems. These are the gems of CIT, and yes, they have been very good students. Apart from that, they are doing very good in their lives today. And you should, and it is a great opportunity for all of us CITians that they are here to share their insights as to what they feel about this COVID-19 that is happening. Yes, this is a very difficult period. There are a lot of problems, but these people will definitely help you in dealing with these problems right now. Now, quickly, I'd like to say hello to everyone. So all the alumni, please unmute yourself so that you can come on my screen. I can see you and I can just wave it to you. Then I'll be coming in the end and I'll be interacting with you and everyone else, please. Yes, hello, Aarti, Manisha.
Hi.
Sylvie, Weber.
Yes, sir. Hi.
And then if I can see hi of everyone, I can see videos of most students. Shalvi, Nikhil. Yes. I saw Neeral was also there, I suppose.
Yeah, Neeral was there.
Neeral, I don't think he's coming, but it's great. So, how am I looking? You all are looking
Very well.
Looking thin, sir.
Looking fit as always.
Do you miss me?
Yes, of course.
I don't have anything to be missed as such. But I do miss you all a lot. Yes, Neeral now. Great.
Middle is live now.
Kids, thank you so much. You want corporate, you'll be like kids to me every wherever in the entire life. So giving you so much for coming and sharing these insights with the students. I'm so happy. If anyone else is there, I suppose I haven't missed anyone.
I am there.
I could see Ravi Akhani, I can see Ravi. Lovely, hello.
How are
Ravi,
you, sir?
lovely, fine. So I was just telling all of you that, thank you so much for sharing these insights. Actually, I came to Abu Road on 2nd. I was in Baroda for the entire COVID lockdown. I came to Abu Road on 2nd and I was in the quarantine, but now I'm free from today. So just come to office and I'm so happy to see you all. We'll be interacting post when you finish this with the students. Once these students have finished and they all leave, I would love to interact with you all separately so that we'll be a small closed group so we can discuss more. Right?
Sure.
So please continue with whatever you are doing. Please share your insights with the students and then I'd like to know something about you in the later stage. Okay? Thank you so much. Please continue.
Okay, thank you, Tejas sir. Okay, now. So we already have Khushbu and Lovely and Neeral and Vaibhav, everybody out here. Thank you so much, guys. Achha, one thing more. First and foremost, I must congratulate you for conversing in English so nicely. But it'll be really nice if you people use a little Hindi also. Okay. So okay, I hand it over. Whosoever wants can start now. So we can have it from Neeral, I think. Okay, start. Neeral, I think you should go ahead now. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, then if
Yes, you
Neeral.
are. Yes, you are.
Okay, so whosoever is there can start, please. There is a computer glitch, so please. Nikhil, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you start, beta.
Okay, so thank you for having me here. I passed in 2016. I'm a part of batch 2016 CIT. Post that, even so, like this COVID is something that no one would have expected. Like even now, for someone who is working, for instance, Aarti has told that these are unprecedented times. So, like I quite agree with her. And even when I was working, so I was working with Yes Bank for last 1 year, and then I switched to a different company. It was a startup, but then I never. Sorry. Anu ma'am, you're saying something? Sorry. Okay, I'll continue. So that when I switched to a different company, we mostly had clients from US, and it had taken a huge hit since US is in a really bad shape. So just to all the students, I would like to say that the appetite for the companies, the appetite for employees for all the companies is gonna. There's a bit of glitch. I'm not sure. There's some bit of noise. Okay, so appetite from a lot of companies is going to decrease. If a company like Uber can fire what 3,500 employees in a day on just a Zoom call, so I'm pretty sure any company can take that bigger hit. So like times like these, so COVID, the shock absorption of COVID-19 is going to take a bit of time. The industry is going to revive, but no one can say, even great economists, like even a McKinsey printer report, that they won't be knowing that what how long it can be taken. The vaccine has to come up, the medicines has to come up, anything and everything is possible. But what we can hope is the best and the bright future, because once everything is into control, things are going to be pretty nice. I'm closely in touch with a lot of CPG and retail heads across a lot of industries. I like personally host a lot of webinars for them almost every week. So we know that these guys have a lot of hope with the future. The GDP is going to take a hit, for instance. Probably it might end up into negative for this year, but the next year, once everything goes good, things are going to be like more than what they have been. So what I suggest to all the students is use this time, use this opportunity to better reskill yourself. And there are a lot of things you can be doing sitting at home. If you have time for further studies like I did, you can go for an MBA and MTech or whatever you wish to desire in your life. And like there is no end, to what you can achieve just by if you have that kind of passion in your life. Yeah, I guess that's all. I'm happy to help out any students if they need any guidance in terms of what are the right institutes to apply for, how to go about the CAT coaching and anything. If you have any doubt, just let me know. I'm happy to help any CIT students for that matter. And I'll get back to you in case of any questions. Yeah, thank you.
That's really nice, Nikhil. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nikhil.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, well, we have Neeral. Neeral, can you start, please?
Yes, ma'am. Niral is back. Right.
Okay.
So that's a very good thing, ma'am. Everyone is talking about GDP, economy, and other things, which can be said that those are not engineering topics, right? So that's the achievement of all the like alumni they have gained throughout their career. So I would say my task has been different as I'm working with Kanda Port Trust. So the supply chain and all the necessary supply chain management and like port operation are 24/7. So we are not having such facilities or this grace period as all the students are, all alumni are having in their life. But I can say that we'll have to utilize this time to gain or to achieve something. Like if we are talking about non-tech or non-engineering skills that we are going to utilize throughout all the career or span of career with whom we are dealing with. So the project management, the GDP, the feasibility things, and all the other financial terms will also be very crucial in all our journey period. So I wish luck for all the students to cope up their skills and be mature now. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Niral. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm extremely overwhelmed that you people, you have such good communication skills. Well, I would be very happy if you speak in Hindi too, because there are few of the students who might not be getting it quite straight. So along with English, a little Hindi too. Now I would like to call Khushbu. Khushbu, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, everyone. How are you? Hope everyone is safe amid this crisis. Okay, so my name is Khushbu. Hope everyone knows me. So I've been the part of CIT family, and I passed in 2014. So it was a great journey with CIT also, and it's been 5 years I've been working with Software Suggest. So as we all know, like with the current situation, coronavirus has already impacted a lot, and the whole world was not prepared for this impact. And it was so quick and had a ripple effect that become completely out of the control. So the impact would be definitely full-time jobs. Full-time jobs will reduce. So guys, yeah, it is very clear that jobs will not add the value to any business, will quickly perish. So high salaried jobs, if anyone is not justifying their costs in the company, definitely will be perished. And in turn, companies will also move towards to hire freelancer and contractual employees to carry out more and more jobs they need. So remote and the digital platforms will be the new normal. Okay, and salaries will not be fixed. So definitely the companies will not be able to shoulder the burden of the core jobs and taking care of the employees beyond their means. So definitely this can be a very tough time for everyone, like who is like the salary is high, if the salary is fixed. So definitely everyone will move towards the freelancer, and the companies will value perception. So definitely job titles will quickly melt down. The real value will be demanded at every level. So let's say, guys, if anyone is having the job of, like, if anyone is having the experience of 5 years, correct? So if they are not able to justify their packages, so definitely this will be very tough phase for them. So like I understand, like fresher graduates like you also will be facing the issue, and you guys will be expected to learn by themselves. So पहले क्या होता था कि ठीक है, फ्रेशर को हायर कर लिया, हम लोग उनको ट्रेन करेंगे एंड दे विल गेट पेड आल्सो इन द टाइम ऑफ ट्रेनिंग. बट अभी चीजें बहुत चेंज होंगी. वी आर आल्सो एक्सपेक्टिंग ट्रेनर्स टू बी ट्रेन्ड बाय देमसेल्फ. ठीक है, सो फ्रेशर ग्रेजुएट एक्सपेक्टिंग, if you guys are expecting कि आपको ट्रेनिंग मिलेगी and you will be getting paid, or you will be getting paid during this period, definitely that will not be going to happen. So fresher graduates will now make themselves ready for the job outside the system if they have to consent for the new job. So आप लोगों के लिए बहुत चीजें बहुत tough situation होने वाली है, because most of the employees lay off हो रहे हैं. TripAdvisor ने 900 employees lay off किए. Most of the companies like travel industry, अभी हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, आईटी इंडस्ट्री विल बी डेफिनेटली स्पीडिंग अप द प्रोसेस. बट उसके अलावा जितनी भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, दे आर फेसिंग द करंट क्राइसिस. तो आप लोगों के लिए कंपटीशन टफ होने वाला है, बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस लोग भी आपके साथ इंटरव्यूज की लाइन में रहेंगे, और वो लोग अपना सैलरी रिड्यूस करने के लिए भी रेडी रहेंगे. सो यू विल हैव टू बिकम वेरी वेरी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. तो अभी आपके पास टाइम है. यू कैन डू सम अपस्किलिंग ट्रेनिंग टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स एंड रीस्किलिंग थिंग्स. द एबिलिटी टू लर्न एनी न्यू skills quickly will be an added advantage for you guys. अभी आप फ्रेशर है, अभी यू हैव टाइम. तो अगर अभी आप उस सिचुएशन को एक्सपेक्ट करके चेंजेस करते हैं, that will be an add on to your CV. डेफिनेटली जिसके पास मल्टीपल स्किल्स है, जिसके पास मल्टी स्किल्स है, उनको प्रेफरेंस कंपनीज में ज्यादा मिलने वाला है. दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी श्योर. So yeah, I'll be available at khushbu.tikchandani@gmail.com. You guys can reach me anytime for any kind of help, for any kind of support. Or it was nice to be here. Thank you so much for having me. Thanks Anu ma'am. Thanks Tejas sir.
थैंक यू सो मच खुशबू, थैंक यू सो मच. अभी तेजस सर ने यहाँ से लीव कर दिया, उनका फोन मेरे पास आया एंड ही सेड कि ही वांट अ फ्री कॉन्वर्सेशन. जो भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमारे हैं, if they want to question anything, they can be free on any topic if they wish. Firstly and secondly, I would request my alumni to be here once the meeting is over and the students leave, because Tejas sir would like to speak to you people. Now we have with us Lovely. Lovely, are you there? Lovely?
Yes. Can you guys hear me? Yeah. Hi, everybody. I hope everybody is doing great. Make sure your families are safe and you guys don't leave your house ever. Okay. Along with that, let me introduce myself. A lot of people might not know me, or maybe they would. So I was in 2013 batch, and I passed out from computer science. We were the first batch. So let me tell you guys, आपकी और मेरी situation batches की same थी. आपके पास at least आपके seniors है to tell you what to do next. We had nobody. We were the first batch in CIT. So you could feel as miserable you want to feel about yourself. But honestly, this COVID-19 is a pandemic that we all know about. It's not going to go easy. Even the government, after several lockdowns, have given up on this. So, and I think it's not just happening with us, it's happening all over the industries. People who were, so you guys are not even placed. आपकी तो अभी नौकरी लगी है नहीं लगी है, a different thing. But people who were already placed have been working in companies for a very long time. Even those people are being laid off at current situation. So we stand the last in line, you can assume. Apart from that, let me tell you, this is not just happening to engineering students or the engineering sector, to be precise. This is all over in almost all the industries. Whether you say aviation, आपने सुना होगा, this is happening for everybody. It's not just us. Jyoti, can you please mute your mic? That would be great. Thank you. Also, so we have to, I think, gradually accept it and wait for things to come our way. Second, as it said, every cloud has a silver lining. Similarly, every crisis has its own opportunities hidden. So I work as a business analyst and project manager. I work for S&P Global, which is Macro Hills. A lot of people बचपन में book पढ़ी होगी Macro Hills की. So I work with them. I work so project management is more like a MBA part, but a business analyst is core technical work that I took, the job that would be offered to me if I was a fresher. So I haven't taken a route away from programming, database. those things are still a part of my life. मैं अभी भी select queries लिखती हूँ, join लिखती हूँ. I still study the same thing, just a level higher maybe, because I need to get the skills of database administrator also. So I would say that अभी हम लोग भी when we try to, since we are working from home, we try to get a little bit time out for ourselves, training and learning new things. So I think that is, you guys have like the golden time of your life now. Stop worrying कि हम job कब करेंगे, start learning things up. So I think what you could learn is, I think there's a lot of online material available. If you see, LinkedIn Learning is there. You could try LinkedIn Learning. I know Upgrade is giving a couple of free courses online. Try to reach out there. We also have okay, so people who want to get into development, want to be developers, maybe EC or CS people, you guys could go ahead and check out Oracle free certification. Oracle is giving you 6 free certifications for infrastructures, so आप लोग वो भी देख सकते हो. You will have so Harvard is also giving you online courses. You can try that. Also, while you're studying, I know we did not have time in the busy schedule to clear our practical skills. Java, C++, C were a part of our life, but never a part of our entire life. So Java being one of the most demanded languages, it would be great अगर आप सब लोग अभी time निकाल के start practicing. We always learn Java at maybe the basic level in college, so try going for advanced, moderate or advanced level. You can do that. Try to learn maybe one skill in the subject that you're qualifying. Let's say right now, I could tell you, since I'm working for a Fortune 500 company, I know Azure DevOps, Python, these two are one of the many most demanded technologies that you might want to learn. DevOps and Python, not the basic, but the advanced level is something that everybody wants to have right now. So you can learn that. But ultimately, we never have to take our eyes off the goal. So make sure that your goal to get a job, if you want to get one, is always fixed. Do not take your eyes off. Email as many companies as you want to. Send out resumes to all the companies existing in this entire earth, and see and wait for the response. Be patient, wait for the response. Try to schedule some online interviews. Try to do some mock interviews. और अभी I think right now also on the call, अनु मैम ने 2-3 बार बोल दिया है कि guys हिंदी में बात करो, and then I think it's deliberately for us to speak in Hindi. So I would say, guys, Anu ma'am is here to tell you कि हिंदी में बात करो. But when you go out, nobody is going to tell you हिंदी में बात करो. Everybody wants you to speak and understand English. So try going ahead and working on your communication skills, because यहाँ पर it's just the college, but outside it's the entire world that you have to crack out of. So that's all that I have for you guys. Let me know if you want any help around jobs or anything. I can try to look around. Apart from that, thank you guys for having me here, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, lovely. Thank you so much for this. Now, like, बहुत ज़्यादा women empowerment हो चुका है यहाँ पर. So let me have a guy here. Let's have Vaibhav. Vaibhav, are you there? Vaibhav?
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, how are you?
Okay, I'm pretty good. You take over, Vaibhav.
Yeah, sure. Hi, guys, and like some of you knows me and some of you don't know me. So the thing is that to the point I'll come during this COVID-19, you have to just focus on your skills. Like आप life में क्या करना चाहते हैं उसके ऊपर focus रहिए and improve your skills. So as working in entertainment industry, so how the things going in India and out of the world, because we are dealing not in India but entire overseas also. So next 15 and 18th month would be so tough for us. मतलब बहुत टफ जाने वाले हैं, इट्स टू गेट बिजनेस और किस तरीके से क्या काम करेगा. सो दिस इज अ राइट टाइम फॉर यू ऑल टू इम्प्रूव योर स्किल्स और फोकस एक रखें. मतलब लाइफ में आप आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं, आपके गोल्स क्या हैं, आपके एम क्या है, यू हैव टू बी फोकस ऑन दैट. So as Lovely said, there are many courses are available. So I'll help you in these things. If you go into the technical things, so I know that website Java 2S where you can learn Java, Python, as well as if you're interested in Google digital marketing. So Google is providing your certification in AdWords and analytics. So go search on such kind of websites and try to improve your skills, because I think this coronavirus is not so, it's a drawback, but it's a good advantage for us. ये काफी improve करेगा आपको, अपनी skills improve करेगा. Even मैं अभी job के अंदर हूँ, फिर भी मैं काफी online courses ले रहा हूँ अपने आप को improve करने के लिए, अपनी skills improve करने के लिए. And you have to be very good in this that particular things जो आप लाइफ में चाहते हैं. Like everyone knows that I am much more interested into media and marketing. शुरू से ही I was in ABU, तब से मैं dancing and talent management और इन सब में था. So that particular skills help me out to get this particular job. So you have to be very careful in these things. मतलब अपने माइंड को कभी डाइवर्ट मत करना कि मैं ये कर लूंगा वो कर लूंगा. एंड सेकंड थिंग, स्टॉप, मतलब अपने आप को कंपेयर करना छोड़ दो तुम दूसरों से कि वो क्या कर रहा है और मैं उसको कंपेयर कर सकता नहीं हूँ. यार तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हें वो देखना है, और तुम्हें आगे क्या करना है, तुम्हें वो देखना है. सो बेसिकली फोकस ऑन दैट. एंड या नेक्स्ट आने वाले मंथ काफी टफ हो सकते हैं. सो बी रेडी, जस्ट इम्प्रूव योर थिंग्स. और या विल कम सून, हम वापस मूवीज वगैरह एंड शोज आएंगे और विल स्टार्ट एंटरटेनिंग यू. Cool. Thank you, guys. So you can reach me out through my Instagram ID, which is Filmy Theka. So if any query, अगर life में कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या है, so I can help you out and help you out in job also. So you can reach me out. Thank you, man. Anu, ma'am, you can take it.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. Actually, there's one boy of ours, like final year का एक student है. I don't know whether he's on the platform or not. Vinayak Singh Khichi. ठीक है, he is really into all this, like तुम्हारे जैसे उसके inclinations थे. He really want to be into media as well as into this kind of a business. So if you can personally help him, I'll be really indebted. Okay, now so do we have Ravi over here? Ravi Akhani. Ravi, are you there? Ravi? Am I audible to all? Okay, I think Ravi is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi is there? No. Okay, so do we have Shalvi? Shalvi?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Shalvi. Please take over.
Yeah. Hello? Are you guys able to hear me? Okay. So I am Shalvi. I hope you guys are safe, healthy, and maintaining social distancing. So I am 2017 pass out, and I did my engineering in computer science. Currently, I'm working with Dell Technologies. I'm handling social media. For Dell. I handle Facebook, Twitter, Dell community forums. It's all related to communication and stuff, and bit of a technical. So, abhi ke time, according to COVID-19, I would say, yeah, it's pretty bad. Companies, economy, everything is going down. Companies lay off kar rahi hai. People don't have work. So, I think right now the better thing to do is learn something new. There are so many opportunities. Like Lovely Soni said, you send your resumes to all the companies, apply for internship, and someone or the other will come back to you. They will maybe they'll share feedback, or maybe they'll hire you, but don't expect salary, because ye time hai learn karne ka. And to be honest, right now we are in this state and we should learn something new. Try and try and learn into communication, maybe improve your English, improve your grammar, vocab, personality, everything, and that will definitely help. और अगर इससे अलग कोई क्वेश्चन है तो you guys can ask. Anu ma'am, you can take it over. I'm done.
Okay. Thank you, Shalvi. Actually, yesterday I was having a word with Aarti, and she told me that एक छोटे से discussion से कुछ नहीं होता. We should have these kind of platforms quite often. So if the students, they are really looking forward for this, they can personally tell me, and we can arrange these kind of sessions with the alumni as many times as possible. Okay. Now we have Harshit. Harshit, are you there? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Okay, take over, Harshit.
Hello, everyone. I hope all are safe. I'm Harshit. Most of you know me, and I don't know that many of you might don't know me. Right now, I'm working with the SDFC Bank in Abu Road itself. This COVID-19 has made so many things so difficult for everyone here. So, see, अपन क्या है, जैसे आज के इस टाइम के अंदर अपनी इकोनॉमी नीचे जा रही है, जॉब नहीं है मार्केट के अंदर, अपने स्किल्स इतने आज की कंपनीज ऐसी हो गई हैं जहाँ मल्टीटास्किंग पर्सन चाहिए उनको. जो बंदा एक काम कर सकता है उसको 10 चीजें और आनी चाहिए, बट 10 चीजें भी ऐसी आनी चाहिए कि वो अप टू द मार्क हो, 10 on 10 हो, कि ऐसा नहीं कि 10 में से 9 हो, क्योंकि वो कंपनीज को नहीं चाहिए आज के टाइम में. मैं बीइंग इन द फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री, हम मतलब ऑलमोस्ट इन द B2C कल्चर, सबको देख रहे हैं कि कैसे क्या काम हो रहा है. हर कस्टमर से मिलना होता है, कस्टमर क्या कहता है, कस्टमर के पास की क्वेरीज क्या है, कि आज के टाइम में सबकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशंस अच्छी नहीं है, चाहे छोटे से छोटा एक मर्चेंट हो या बड़े से बड़ी कंपनी हो, किसी के पास अभी इतना दे आर नॉट फाइनेंशियली सो स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट दे कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड. सी अभी जैसे गवर्नमेंट ने मॉनिटोरियम सारा किया, अभी फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के अंदर उन्होंने अपने पैकेजेस लॉन्च किए हैं गवर्नमेंट ने. दिस विल ओनली हेल्प इन अ वे, बट जब तक अपन खुद की हेल्प जब कर पाएंगे जब हमारे पास स्किल्स होंगे. सी आपको पता है, बीइंग एन इंजीनियर, आपके पास जॉब, आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आपके पास एक जॉब हो जिसके अंदर अप्रोक्सीमेटली आपके पास एक 10-15,000 आप सैलरी इजीली इन हैंड ले रहे हो, सेविंग्स हो आपकी. आप इनिशियली आप ये सोचते हैं कि अपन जब मार्केट के अंदर जाएं तो हमारे पास हो, बट द सिनेरियो इज नॉट लाइक दिस राइट नाउ. सो आई विल ओनली सजेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप अपने स्किल्स को अपग्रेड करिए, अपने स्किल्स को अच्छे से करिए. अपने स्किल्स जितनी ज्यादा आप उसको पढ़ सकते हैं, जितनी ज्यादा पॉलिश कर सकते हैं अपने स्किल्स को, इस टाइम पे अपने स्किल्स को पॉलिश करिए. और बाकी आपको कोई हेल्प चाहिए हो कभी भी, आप यू कैन गेट इन कॉन्टेक्ट विद मी ऑन फेसबुक बाय हर्षित जैन. See, I would like to add one more thing that आप सब जने जितने भी अभी नए फ्रेशर्स हैं, जितने भी आप अपने CIT के जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, I would really like you all to add LinkedIn के ऊपर, क्योंकि अलग अलग टाइप की आपके जॉब प्रोफाइल्स आती रहती हैं जिसके अंदर आप देख सकते हैं कि आज के टाइम में मार्केट की एक्चुअल रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, मार्केट का सिनेरियो क्या है, मार्केट के अंदर लोग क्या चाहते हैं, व्हाट द कंपनीज रियली एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू, कि उनको क्या क्या चाहिए, वो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है. तो वो आपको वहां पर अच्छे से मिलेगा और इट विल रियली हेल्प यू इन एनहेंसिंग योर स्किल्स. सो आई होप you can I will be helpful for you all. So thank you. Stay safe. Anu ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Harshit. Thank you so much. Now, actually, Ravi Akhani is not able to connect. Is Faisal there? Faisal, are you there? Shalvi, is Faisal there?
Ma'am, he won't be able to join the call. He was working late in the morning, so right now he's sleeping.
Okay, absolutely fine. So, frankly speaking, first and foremost, I should ask the alumni, how did you feel on this platform? Was that too professional, or you found it like you are still a part of CIT and giving some suggestions to your juniors? Any?
Hello, ma'am.
Harshit
this side.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's really feel like we are in the college, in the campus of the college, and the juniors are coming to us and asking, भैया इसके अंदर क्या करें, या इसके अंदर क्या हो सकता है हमारे साथ, क्या हेल्प कर सकते हैं आप, या आप सजेशंस दीजिए. It's feel like the same thing right now.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else?
I think I can go next, ma'am. Like we spoke yesterday that, like we are indebted to the college and it's like a duty to, come back and give it to the students, like whatever we learned in the past few years. So it's great to be here. And as I said yesterday, we should have more connects like this, where maybe few of the alumni can, come in and actually teach the students something. Like a lot of us are working in the tech field, or a lot of us are working in marketing and other areas. So if students are interested and they show, inclination towards learning something that's core or non-core, it would be great if like the alumni can come together and, guide the students more. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Aarti. Now the students, if you want to ask something to your seniors, you can always ask. You have some time, so if you want, you can ask. And if you really want such kind of sessions in future, you can always tell me that. Anybody out here in the platform wants to ask something? Okay, Kapil Saini.
Okay. So it's a pleasure meeting you all. So everyone is saying that we need to work on our skills. So I want to ask, like, what kind of skills? Especially I'm talking about mechanical engineering. Like, what kind of skills? Like, if you can list some of them.
Okay, I'm not from the core mechanical background, but my husband is, so I can give you a few suggestions. And as I spoke in the beginning, right, there are different kinds of skills that you can work on, whether it's knowledgeable skills or transferable skills. I think for mechanical, what you can do is first, you can start building up your CV by learning some tools, where if you're interested in designing, etc., you can start with Procreate or AutoCAD, etc. And also, along with all these solid core skills that you're learning, one thing that you need to be able to differentiate yourself from others is to work on your softer skills. आप इंटरव्यू प्रेपरेशंस कीजिए, आप इंग्लिश में बात करने की कोशिश कीजिए, आप रीडिंग करना शुरू कीजिए. इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कौन सी फील्ड में आपको जाना है, आप रीडिंग करना शुरू कीजिए ताकि आपकी वोकैबुलरी बेटर हो, ताकि आपको इंग्लिश सुनने की आदत हो. एंड इफ यू विल टेक माय सजेशन, स्टार्ट रीडिंग लाउडली, क्योंकि आप इंग्लिश में इसलिए बात नहीं कर पाते कई बार क्योंकि आपके कानों को आदत नहीं है आपकी अंग्रेजी सुनने की. So start reading loudly, which will help you to, then be able to converse in English. So make a plan for yourself. Don't work on like one skill. Have like top 2-3 skills that you want to, focus on, and un pe kaam karna shuru kijiye. As Lovely and Vaibhav and Harshit mentioned, there are a lot of companies right now who are giving discounts on courses. आप Coursera देखिए, Udemy देखिए, 12,000 के courses 400 रुपए में available है अभी. Take those courses and start learning, and those have courses, with respect to all your branches also. So there are different mechanical engineering courses, computer science courses, etc. So start doing that. List down top 2-3 skills that you want to learn along with the soft skills, and do that. Yeah. If anybody else wants to add something.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We have Ruchir Bhimawala with us. Ruchir, can you join in?
Hey guys, how's it going? Hi Aarti, great to see you.
So good to see you.
So excited to see you guys.
So Ruchir, what you have to say about this COVID-19 scenario?
One thing I can say about Ruchir is he haven't changed a bit. He's still making his hair on the corner. Like I could see him jump out, and he was making his hair like he did in the college as well. Ruchir, hats off. How do you manage to say the same old lousy guy?
Same. The characteristics don't change.
Nice.
I'm a messy and a clumsy guy, so.
Good to see you.
It's 4 a.m. here right now in America. Literally, it's 4 a.m. So I had to like wake up, change into a shirt. I was in my PJs. I had to change into a shirt. I had to wear my glasses. And I was like, okay, now I'm ready. And it's a Saturday night. You guys need to understand. It's a Saturday night.
I know. That's the reason I was smiling that you're in the US. It's odd time for you, and you're here.
How did you change your PJs into a shirt?
Hanuman sent me a text and I was like, I need to do this right now. I was like, Let me just come right away. How are you guys doing, by the way?
Oh, as great as ever.
Perfect. Great to
And now
see.
that I've seen you, I'll be doing much more better now.
Perfect. Perfect. I hope that.
Great. Sure.
So
How's US with COVID-19?
It's the thing. The one thing that's going on in US is they haven't shut down the economy. So I live in Boston, Massachusetts. It's on the East Coast and it's on the northern part of New York. So it's kind of hit really bad here, and there are probably more than 12,000 cases here in Massachusetts, and the city of Boston has more than 3,000 cases. That's actually even more than, no, it's actually compared to what India has. And every day in US there are like 2,500 to 2,000 people who are in the situation. The steps the government has taken is that they haven't shut down the government. Their economy is still going on. And there are a couple of people here who believe that, who are anti-protesters. They are called as anti-protesters, and they say that they want to continue and live their normal life. And those are the ones who are actually getting COVID-19 virus right now. So actually US is not doing that good as how India is doing right now. I'm really proud on what steps India has been taking right now compared to where I am and what I am facing. I have been working from home past 3 months now. The productivity was initially good, but now like it's decreasing a bit, and still like US is not doing that good, frankly speaking.
Okay. So you be there on the platform, Rutir. We have Ravi Akhani right now with us. Ravi, are you there? Ravi, can you hear me? Ravi, is Ravi there? Okay. Any questions, juniors, from your alumni? Rutir, आपको अपने juniors को कुछ कहना है? You want to say something to your juniors?
I actually just saw Tejas sir online. I just wanted to say hi and wave my hand to Tejas sir. I just wanted to thank him a lot, actually a lot. And just wanted to say to my juniors that just believe in the process and believe in the faculty that you are in with whom you are right now. They are absolutely great, and I am doing wonderful in my life right now. And I think all the credit goes to the faculties and how they dealt with me, especially Tejas sir, that I was a mess of a kid, man. I was a really mess. The way that he and anyone has handled me for 4 years straight, it's really commendable. Like my parents didn't even know how to deal with me, and these guys have dealt with me. So like all credit goes to these guys. Just trust in the process. And I can say that sitting here in Boston, Massachusetts, doing a wonderful job and doing amazing in my life, I feel that you guys should just stick where you are right now, do what you are meant to do, and just believe in yourself. That's the only thing that I would say. And just learn more. Trust me, learn more. Sit more in the class. That's the least thing that I did. I never sat in the class, but sit in the class. Please sit in the class. Like I was always roaming around in the lobby. Like, please sit in the class.
Thank you so much. Okay, now the students, alumni can stay back, and the students, if you have any question, you can ask, or lest you can leave the platform. Okay, we can have such kind of sessions more often in coming future. Alumni, please, you all be here because Tejas sir would like to speak to you. Okay, Vinayak.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak, I just had a word with Vaibhav for you. है ना? Vaibhav is into Bollywood.
Yeah.
I just had a word for you. You can speak to
Yeah,
Vaibhav
we
if
know.
you want.
We know each other very well. He was my senior back throw in school also.
Okay.
I used to love his performances. So also I love now also. So a very big hi to everyone over here, and being a super senior, I would like to thank you all for being here, to all the alumni, and I would like to remind you all that we have actually met. You know, the last time we had alumni meet, I was a part of the management team, and it was really fun to see you back again. And I would like to ask a simple question to everyone, and I think everyone in the meeting would like to know that. So the question is that, you know, जब हम college में होते हैं, we have some, you know, expectation, we have some imagination कि हम बाहर जाके ऐसा करेंगे, ये करेंगे. So now you all are doing something really good in the life. So I just want to know कि what is the difference between the imagination जो like हम college में करते हैं कि हमारा path पूरा हम decide कर लेते हैं, और reality के अंदर, you know, जब आप बाहर actual में गए और आपने चीजें face करी, so what was that difference?
I really would like to answer that question to you. I really would like to answer that question to you. And I have a witness, Aarti Hiraramani, right now with me. I wanted to go to US when I was 23, when I was just 22 probably. No, sorry, 21, when I was just done with my bachelor's from CIT. And I badly wanted to go to US, and I could do anything to go to US. And I was like very frustrated when I got rejected for my visa for the first time. I didn't get my admission for the first time. And I planned my life when I was in first year of engineering. मेरे को मालूम था कि 4 साल मेरे को engineering करनी है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी करके निकालूंगा. मेरे को अमेरिका जाने का है. I have to make big. I'll do anything in my life to do that. Okay. 2 years passed by. I used to talk to Aarti every other week or something like that. I was like very depressed that things are falling apart. It was according to the plan. I wanted to be there when I was 21. मेरा masters 23rd को खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. I want to do something like that. I'm 26 right now. मैंने 2 साल इंडिया में जॉब एक्सपीरियंस किया, ठीक है. आई थॉट लाइक ओके नाउ दिस वुड वर्क आउट, पर मेरे को निकलना है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, यू नो, द एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई गॉट इन इंडिया has proved so profitable and so valuable here in America. I can't even explain. Like, मैं रोता था. I was like, no, I want to go. Why can't I go? Why can't I do certain things? Like, I have planned my life. मैंने अपने 30 साल प्लान कर चुका हूँ. Trust me on this. If you are planning something, it would 110% fall off. It would 110% fall off. Just that's why I'm telling you. Trust the process. Trust yourself. And after a couple of years, like, you will get where you want to be. But the age and the gap doesn't matter. And Aarti can actually back me up on this, because she's the one who actually got me out of this. Thank you, Aarti, for that.
Thank you so much, Ruchir. Yeah, I think there is going to be a lot of planning, like all of us are going to do. I think in most of the interviews we were asked what is our 5-year plan, and we had like awesome big plans, and we are nowhere near those plans right now, and probably we don't want those things to happen anymore, right? Like, I wanted a startup of my own in the next 5 years. I don't want it now. I still want it, but probably in a different domain, right? So, of course, expectations and reality is not going to match. It will definitely not match. So when you get out, there is going to be a lot of struggle, a lot of hard work. You need to put in 15, 16 hours a day in the new job and learn a lot of stuff. It was a big struggle for me when I joined Google. It was such a roller coaster ride. And my only point was, I'm going to stay and I'm going to do what I have to do. And that's the same thing that I kept telling Ruchir also, that do what you have to do right now with the time you have. And whenever you get time to go, whenever you get your visas in place, you go. But make like small plans for yourself. Have very small monthly goals for yourself, that this is what I'm going to do, and try and achieve those goals, because it will give you so much, respect for yourself, further motivation that, I planned this for myself. It was a short-term goal and I was able to achieve it, right? Like right now also, I keep giving myself very small goals, whether it's on my core job or my overall well-being, that I'm going to do yoga for the next week, 5 days. And I'll just try to do it 1 day a week. So give yourself those small goals. And yeah, because when life comes into picture, the plan goes out of the window for sure. Thank you.
Just to add, guys, I think this was more like a perspective. I think Vinayak was more like what we could do as, like, I am still working. I did computer engineering. I am still working in that field. MySQL, MS SQL is a part of my life every day. The first thing that I open after opening my laptop. The second thing is I have learned JavaScript. I learned Java in college. So when I was in college, I think everybody, हम लोग ये सोचते थे कि अच्छा शिवराम सर ने टास्क दिया है जावा में ये करना है, ये तो हम फोड़ लेंगे। प्रैक्टिकल्स में भी हमें तो अपनी हालत पता ही थी, कैसे क्या करते थे, किससे पूछना है, क्या करना है, कैसे सब जुगाड़ लगाने हैं, हम सब इंजीनियरिंग वाले तो सब जानते ही है। तो आई थिंक put that aside. This cheating, yeah, sure, you could pass your exam. बाहर इंटरव्यू में you have yourself only. So try doing it honestly for yourself. शिवराम सर देते हैं टास्क क्योंकि उनका काम है शायद टास्क देना, हमारा काम है उसे कंप्लीट करना. सो शिवराम सर माइट जस्ट से प्रिंट कंट्रोल system.out.println से hello world लाके दो. Don't try to do that. Give him that. Try to go one level, like after that, try to jump a step. शो हिम सर हेलो फ्रेंड्स के बाद मैंने कैलकुलेशन करा है, एक सम किया है, 2 नंबर्स एडिशन करके आपको दे रहा हूँ. ट्राई टू डू दैट बिकॉज शिवराम सर इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू हेल्प यू एज अ टीचर. Similarly, other teachers, jab Anu ma'am, I know she had this when we were there. I probably think she hasn't changed a bit and she still has this when you guys are there. वो अभी भी बोलती होगी बच्चों इंग्लिश पे ध्यान दो, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को बेटर करो. I think she's true. Right now, अगर आप देख सकते हैं, like us who were the alumni were facing so much difficulties क्योंकि हमें हिंदी में बात करना आता ही नहीं when we are on like a call like that, because we've so addicted to talking in English that हम जब ऐसे webinars पे होते हैं तो we always try to speak in English and it becomes difficult to talk in Hindi now. So make the same for yourself. See yourself here. अगर हमारे पास तो कोई था भी नहीं, अनु मैम से बोलते थे, हम लोग बोलते हैं हाँ अनु मैम तो बोलते हैं, ठीक है चलो कोई ना. शिवराम सर चला रहे हैं, हाँ शिवराम सर तो चलाते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. तो ऐसे ही चलता रहता था हमारा. बट नाउ सिंस यू हैव गाइज हु टेस्टेड द मड ऑफ द एक्चुअल प्लेस, तो हमसे पूछो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है सब कुछ. इनफैक्ट I was before this I was working for a healthcare company. Difficult for us because it was US healthcare and out of our habits हम ऐसे बोलते थे अरे, and it was still a bad thing. सिर्फ अरे बोल देना for US in front of US clients was not a good thing. तो आप लोग भी वो सीखो. Try to learn this. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, अगर आप सोचते हो कि आपको इंजीनियरिंग जॉब ही चाहिए तो आपको क्या करना है. डू यू वांट टू बी अ डेवलपर? आई नो हमारे शायद हमारे पास ऑप्शन होता है जावा एंड वीबी में सिलेक्ट करने का. आई थिंक इट्स स्टिल द सेम, आई एम नॉट श्योर. हमारे टाइम था वी हैड टू सिलेक्ट ईदर जावा और वीबी. आई सिलेक्टेड जावा, a lot of people selected VB, पर आपके पास तो टाइम है, आप जावा भी सिलेक्ट करो, आप VB भी करो. घर आके क्या करोगे पूरे दिन? घर आके मतलब आपको जाना ही कहाँ है, आपको तो घर में ही रहना है. तो जावा करो, VB करो, सब करो, जितना कर सकते हो करो. लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, जब हम बात करते हैं कि if you want to just get a perspective of packages, let me tell you one more thing. Developers get the highest package. Second is the QAs. So you guys want to do whatever, you guys can do it. And QAs का normal package होता है around if you go with a okayish multinational company, around 6 lakhs a year, and if you go with bigger companies, 16 lakhs a year. That's what a QA package is. I don't know about a dev package because I'm not a developer, but it's definitely way higher than QA packages. So if you want to be a QA, Python karo, automation karo, BDD karo. Try learning what BDD is, what Python is, automation कैसे करते हैं, testing Selenium है आपके पास, इतने सारे tools हैं, आप कोई भी tool उठाओ, learn, and just don't learn it for the sake of learning again, because it's for yourself. So learn it because you want to understand it, and try taking up online digital internships. So this is going to help you guys. Baki aap, it's rest, everything also depends upon what you want to do in life.
Thank you, lovely. And frankly speaking, you know, you guys have pulled me back into the times. Right now, I think I'm living in 2010 and 11. Anyhow, I think if there's any other questions, juniors, you can ask, or lest you all can leave the platform, so only the alumni can be here and Tejas sir can speak to them. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Anu ma'am, I will add on one thing here.
Yeah.
So, guys, so don't run after the salaries and the packages. Okay, run after the knowledge and experiences. Definitely. Like I started my journey with just 2 lakhs per annum. So package doesn't matter. ठीक है, अगर आप सीख जाओगे तो वो एड ऑन होता जाएगा आपकी आपकी सैलरीज में. So it is all about to start. Just one step. आप एक स्टेप ले लेते हो, देन इट विल बी अ प्रोसेस. फिर आपको कोई भी उसमें पीछे नहीं कर सकता है. सो स्टार्ट इट. जो भी मिल रहा है, जैसा भी मिल रहा है, स्टार्ट इट. सीखने के लिए कर लो. डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि मुझे 10,000 मिल रहा है, 15,000 मिल रहा है, इंटर्न है, 5,000 है, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. इट इज ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग. जितना सीखोगे उतना आगे जा पाओगे. इट्स ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस. थैंक यू.
Rightly said, Khushbu. Rightly said. Experiences really count, and learning never ends. So we can.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
can I?
हाँ बोलो तो.
सभी जने मुझे शायद याद नहीं होगा मुझे सभी को. मेरा सिर्फ एक सवाल है. जो फर्स्ट ईयर अपने सब जॉब पे थे, जब हम सभी जॉब पे चले गए थे कॉलेज छोड़ के, तो उस फर्स्ट ईयर में एक एक करके मतलब ऐसा कौन सी सिचुएशन थी जिसके अंदर हम खुद को चेंज करना चाह रहे थे? शायद सभी को मेरी शक्ल याद नहीं है, बहुत साल हो गए मुझे देखे हुए भी. The comedian part.
Yeah, true that.
तो मेरा तो बस एक ही है कि जो भी बच्चे अभी इन्वॉल्व है अंदर, उनको सिर्फ ये पार्ट बताना है कि हमारी लाइफ में जो फर्स्ट ईयर था, जब हम जॉब पे थे, तब एक समय ऐसा आया जिसके अंदर हम ये सोचने पे क्या हम सही रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं या नहीं, और उस समय उस पार्ट को चेंज करने के लिए हमारे दिमाग में पहला कौन सा आइडिया आया था. वो दो चीज, ताकि उन्हें ये एक्सपीरियंस हो कि मैं जो रास्ता चूज कर रहा हूं तो क्या मैं सही हूं या नहीं, वो उन्हें बताना. अपने मन की बताना.
एज अ पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस मैं जो बता रहा हूँ, जब मैं फाइनल ईयर में था तो मैंने अपना प्लानिंग कर लिया था कि मुझे आगे क्या करना है. कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट हुआ था. लाइक खुशबू झलक वाज विथ मी इन फर्स्ट जॉब. हम साथ में ही थे. हम वहां पर भी प्लानिंग करते थे. एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑल्सो. हमने पहला जॉब इसलिए किया था कि हम एक सिक्योर पार्ट में चले जाए. वी स्टार्ट अर्निंग, वी स्टार्ट सेविंग, ताकि हम फैमिली के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं रहे कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. फिर अकॉर्डिंगली वी आर सेटिंग अप आवर गोल्स कि अब हमें करना क्या है. सो प्लानिंग लगता है उसमें that the things you aim for it, वहां तक पहुंचने में you have to reach out to the time लगेगा आपको पहुंचने पर. ऐसा नहीं कि वो तुम्हें मिलेगा नहीं. You have to be very dedicated on this thing. You have to be very skillful for those things. So उसके बाद you know that कि हमारी सेविंग हुई. फिर एक स्टेज आता है जहाँ पर तुम्हें नेक्स्ट स्टेप करना पड़ता है. तो then after that I have joined my IT company. सी ऐसा कि यू आर इन मार्केटिंग थिंग्स और ये कुछ नहीं, पर दैट इंजीनियरिंग तुम्हें कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प करेगी. इवन अभी मैं फिल्म मार्केटिंग में हूँ, दैट एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में, तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे मेरा आईटी स्किल्स हेल्प करा उस चीज के लिए. बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग इन द 360 डिग्री ऑफ मार्केटिंग. मेरे को सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर मार्केटिंग फोकस नहीं करना पड़ता है. आई हैव 5 or 6 थिंग्स टू फोकस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर. आई हैव टू डू एनालिटिक्स के बाद मेरे को स्टेट्स निकालना पड़ता है. आई हैव टू do some graphs and all. फिर उसके बाद we come to the marketing. So you have to be plan. मतलब भीड़ चार या फिर दिमाग के अंदर तुम खिचड़ी पका रहे हो कि ये कर लेंगे वो कर लेंगे, ऐसा करने से वैसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा करने से वैसा हो जाएगा, उससे ऐसा क्या, अगर मैं भी वो करता हूँ तो क्या पता वो मिल जाए. अगर तुमने लाइफ के गोल सेट आउट कर रखे तो तुम बस ध्यान उधर तक रखो. मतलब घोड़ा होता है, उसकी यहाँ नाल रहती है, ना इधर देखता है ना उधर देखता है. अपने लाइफ में फोकस रहता है वो सामने. So you have to be focused on that particular thing कि वहां पर मुझे पहुंचना और कैसे पहुंचना है. That's it.
Okay, now thank you all, and I think now only the alumni should be on the platform, and rest all the students can leave. Thank you to be a part of this. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you. Best of luck, guys.
And frankly speaking, love you all, kids. Thank you all to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You all came.
Thank you, ma'am.
And we can have such sessions quite often in future also, if you all will agree.
Sure.
Tejas sir, now you can take over, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So good to listen to all these students. You all were speaking like, you've seen a lot of life now and, understand a lot of things now. I'm so happy to, I'm sorry I cannot start my video. Would have loved to, but I cannot start my video. But I was just listening to a small part and I was seeing, you all telling about, you need to focus on your goals and these and that. And it's good that you all have started, you all have taken your life seriously, and that is why you are where you are. You all are where you are. That is the reason. And I just wanted, the current students to also focus on that. And that is the reason, I asked Anu ma'am that we should have a session with alumni. Most of you must be working from home, or most of you have been having offs due to this situation. So it was good. Now I would like to hear something from you. बोलो, shoot, क्या करना चाहिए अब हमको?
Sir, can you repeat, sir? Last word.
Now I want you to hear something from you. अब हमको क्या करना चाहिए as a college? तुमने दुनिया देख ली है. You all can hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
बताओ.
I think I can start. Hello. I think for the students to get can you guys hear me? Okay, thanks. So
Yes.
I think for the students, the college should do a lot of activities which are student-based initiatives where the faculty and the teachers are just guiding them, but they're all owned and operated by the students, whether it can be different kind of communities that work during Tarunya, after or before Tarunya, or maybe an alumni committee as well, right? But it should be owned and managed by the students. And while you and, just say you and Anu ma'am have the experience from all over the world, you can guide the students to be doing that so that they become more self-sufficient and they have an experience of, other activities also apart from their subjects only. Yeah. I think it should be initiated once from the administration and the college authorities, and then it can be, taken forward by the students.
Anyone else?
I would like to add on Aarti, organizations actually help out a lot. There are certain kind of organization
Firstly, Ruchir, before you speak, I am so proud. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, seeing you here and seeing you so serious about life and everything, because I still remember the days when your mother and father your parents used to come to me and they were so worried about exactly what he'll do. And I used to tell them, no, he'll do fine. Just don't worry about him. You just leave him to me. And now I've also, given you, I must have given you the maximum punishment in college, I suppose.
And the most partial. And you were the most partial. You actually gave me most punishments, but you are actually more partial to me. So
yeah, I was more partial towards you. A lot of faculty used to come to me and tell you, Sir Ruchir, he'll do anything. He knows you'll never do anything to him, this and that. But Ruchir, I'm so happy to see you. So you look good. You look serious now with all these glasses and everything. You look good.
Thank you so much. There is not even a single day that me and my parents don't talk about you and say thankful to you. We are thankful to you that the immense support that you have given to me. And actually, I've been telling about you to my other professors in university as well, that because of you, that the punishments that you gave me and the things that you guided me, that I'm sure were
those were not punishments. Those were just, you could be tamed in that way itself. You had no other way to be tamed.
But I'm glad you did that. I'm so glad that you did that. So glad.
Right. So yeah, go.
Yeah, so actually I just wanted to add on Aarti's comment that organizations help you a lot. Students can be molded in certain ways, that students can have their own responsibilities. There are a lot of, as you have also, as Tejas sir, you have also traveled around the world. Anu ma'am also has traveled around the world and has that kind of an experience. I know that here in US also there are a lot of organizations that are led by students and run by students. That can be anything. That can be a drama group, or that can be a robotics electronics club group, or that can be like an improv group, or that can be any kind of a frat or a sorority group that they do certain kind of things, that they do a charitable just like we ran an organization called CIT 360, which was ran by Ruxana ma'am. That could have also been taken an initiative by a student. So like student governing bodies where you get support from the faculty, but they don't meddle, but at the same time, like it gives an opportunity for a person to shape himself and take leadership skills. I believe that.
Yeah, correct. Anyone else? I would like to hear from everyone. Yeah, I'm here with my laptop. I think it would be better if I'm okay. Now, am I audible, everyone? I can't hear any one of you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, fine. So yes, I'd like to hear from everyone now, one by one. Isn't there anyone else on or who all are there? I just need to see names. Vaibhav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arshit is also there. Khushbu is also there. Yeah, please go on, Vaibhav. What do you think? What do we need to do now? What do we need to do now?
Sir, nothing but we have to integrate the students that apart from the technical overview, what they are interested into it. So I think we have to focus on that particular skills also. We can help them to improve that particular skills. So in case if they have some plans and some goals apart from the technical things, so it would be very grateful for our college that we are helping out to improve that particular things and particular area. And so like they can fear after they are completing their engineering. So as you know that after I'm completing I have completed my engineering, I have take a chance to do a startup first for that IT firm only, but I'm failed on that thing. And I yeah, you know very well that how it was with Chartered Speed and that one-way cab with I had worked with Devang sir. So like yeah, so basically we have them उनको sir like we have to give them some motivation like entrepreneur skills. अगर उनके दिमाग में ये चीज आएगी that they can do something by their own, so eventually that confidence can be built up and they are more confident about that what they want to do. I think most of the people from our town, like from Siro district and Jalo district, and the students which who all are in our college are fear. कि ये करने से ये हो जाएगा, ये करने से हो जाएगा. Because sir, to be frank, I'm getting so much personal messages also on my Facebook, Instagram कि भैया अब क्या करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है and कैसे होएगा, क्या होगा, how to do that. So like they have some lacking of motivation and some communication skills problem. So we have to focus on that. So we have to work on that particular. So basically, if they get a mindset of that entrepreneurial skills or the business mindset, so it will help a lot.
Right. Definitely. Anyone else? Khushbu, you've been recruiting a lot of our students. What do you feel?
Yeah. Hi, sir. It is great connecting with you. So, sir, actually, we had an experience already. We all actually, कि apart from this book knowledge, degree, certificates, there is a lot more things to do. So I think we should we should make them understand, like make them understand to learn more about real time challenges, like what we are facing. Like there is a lot of things like time management, deadline management, collaboration, correct, patience level, tolerance, like how to behave, how to act, how to tackle the difficulties in real life. So actually these things will be also very important for everyone. So we had a lot, we faced a lot, so we have been facing currently. So I think this can be give them an add-on thing to their career.
Definitely, I used to tell. I don't know how many of you remember. In fact, I don't know how many of you remember what I used to tell, because now you must have got great bosses around, much more experienced than me, or much more knowledgeable than me, or having insights into life or business than me. But I used to always tell one thing, when you are into engineering, you'll have to deal with pressures and deadlines, and that is what you have to learn from the beginning itself. Because pressures, I don't know if you've discussed this with the students, that pressures, deadlines are part and parcel of life, not just engineers, but anywhere that you go, anything that you do in life. These things are there. Multitasking has to be there. You need to create value. In fact, I used to also tell a lot. I used to always give an example about SIM card. You can buy any SIM card, but a value-added SIM card adds a lot of value. So these things I used to tell, and I suppose you must have understood that in your life itself right now. And I hope you have given those insights to the students also. Come on, guys, I don't want to make it a one-way scenario. I do a lot. I expect more interactive. That is why I wanted you all to, stay on after the students have left, that so we can have a very open one-to-one discussion. Not that Tejas sir and students discussion, but it could be a more open one-to-one discussion.
Sir, I would like to say something. Yesterday, I was having a word with Aarti, and we both came on to the conclusion that these kind of sessions will be much more fruitful if we have it quite, frequently. Because in one discussion, the things are not going to be that smooth.
Actually, you should. We will try to have it more. Now, this COVID has actually made us realize that this is one of the aspects, and this shouldn't be stopped. I mean, even after things get normal, but these platforms can be utilized in the future itself, so that you don't need to come physically to the college, but you can connect with the students through these platforms. We weren't even most of these were there, but we weren't using it as much as we wanted to. And Aarti, I'm so sorry I couldn't attend your wedding, but I'm so happy for you and Priyank. No. You can ask any faculty in college. You can ask Anu ma'am, you can ask Ruxana ma'am, you can ask even people in admin who I was so happy to hear it. And actually, whenever I hear a story about two students of the college getting married, I just feel so good. It started in CIT and it's taken form of this. I'm so happy to hear about. And for you and I always used to tell, when you were in college, I was aware that you both are in a relationship. But I told this to Ruxana ma'am and Anu ma'am also. You were one of the best. I mean, so dignified in your approach. I was so happy to see you both get married. I was very, in fact, somewhere I felt, my kids are getting married.
And you didn't attend the wedding, so we are very angry with you.
If I had a daughter, I would have wanted a son-in-law like Priyank, and if I had a son, I would wanted a daughter-in-law like Aarti. So I was very happy about it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I have two daughters, and but you all know, right? I am blessed with two daughters, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
We surely missed you. We were expecting all the faculties to be there.
I was planning to join it in Baroda. Definitely, I was planning to join it in Baroda, but something came up I didn't come to the one in Mount Abu because I planned that I'll be going to Baroda that day, and I'll be in the evening I'll be coming to attend that wedding, because I have met Priyank also at the church that you got married. It's very near to the place that I stay, and but I couldn't come to Baroda that day, and that is the reason. I mean, I came to Baroda, but I was very late. I came at around like 11 o'clock. I reached Baroda, so then I couldn't attend your festivities. But I'm so happy to see you both getting married.
Thank you very much.
All we have here, others. Harshit has been running behind me for some account opening, and I have been trying to.
Hello, sir. Sir, this time you have given me the green signal, sir.
College and this thing, but there are some decisions that even I cannot take still with my life. So.
No issues, sir. No issues,
How
sir.
are you? Yeah, how are you? You doing great?
Pardon, sir. I didn't get you.
You doing great yourself in HDFC Abu Road branch, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been a great life after leaving the SCIT. But sir, one thing I want to add in this, that everyone was talking about the CIT 360. So we have started the CIT 360 with the CIT fields. Then Tarunya, we added the Tarunya events in the CIT 360. So one thing was that in all the events which the students were managing, and the Roxana was guiding us how to manage. I believe that all should be given to the students itself. Manage all the things. Raising of the fund should be by the students itself. So they can learn what is the real market is outside, what is the real scenario outside. So we know the locality very well. So I also interact with all the customers in around Abu itself. Who are all the businessmen, all the local customers are there. So I know the customers, how they treat each and everyone, and what is the face of the CIT right now in the market right now. So the students will go out and they will learn a lot of things they will face lot of things in the market that will help them very, very well.
Definitely. You know, I suppose we have also Anu ma'am can. We were never not at all involved in, except for the finale. I suppose we weren't involved anywhere, right, Anu ma'am?
Yeah, sir.
Right. So I cannot see other. You know, this Google platform. I don't know. I'm so used to Zoom. Maybe we can tell Aarti that she could speak to somebody in Google to
We have all the features of Google.
I simply do not. I simply don't understand. I'm so comfortable with Zoom, but when it comes to Google Meet, I actually try to avoid Google Meet. I don't know why. Other Google products I simply love, but I don't know. I'm so addicted to Zoom or something of this sort.
I am going to take your feedback to the respective team and let them know. Yeah, I could actually see everybody on the call. Like there were 101 people on this call, right?
I don't know why I'm not able to see. I've been trying to navigate through everything that is available here, but we've just had a couple of webinars on Google Meet because there were apprehensions by students about Zoom. I don't know why they were there. I don't find Zoom to be. But when this thing started, I was so comfortable with Zoom, so I don't know. I'm not. But yeah, Neeral Modi. Yes, Neeral, you are in Kandla Port Trust.
Yes, sir.
Great, Neeral. Great. I need to speak to you separately after this. Just put your phone number in the chat box. I need to call you.
Sure, sir.
So, Neeral, what do you say?
किसके बारे में, sir?
Anything that you would like to tell, anything that you would like to suggest to college. You've seen the life, you've seen so many things now. You are interacting with the world outside, and you could, give us an insight as to what we need to do to make students better ready for the or in general what college should do.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बाकी सब एलुमनाई से काफी अलग रहा है. मेरा गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में काफी एक्सपोजर रहा है. इससे पहले जब आपको याद होगा जब हमने इंटरेक्ट किया था, जब एलुमनाई मीट फंक्शन हुआ था, तब शायद आई वाज इन दिल्ली. उसके बाद इट हैज बीन 3 years हियर. यहाँ पे सर काफी अच्छा कुछ सीख रहा हूँ सर, स्पेशली इन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट. Projects having worth of like 321 crores, 348 crores, dealing with them is really nice, sir. So काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है सर. Even
I also wanted to know all you alumni, anybody who's excelling in some sort of his own entrepreneur business or somebody. I know most of you are working somewhere or the other, but anyone who's going for a good entrepreneur, good company of his own and is doing great. Maybe business, but something of his own, like some startup kind of something. Or anyone, if you are planning to do something with your group of people or something.
I am planning to do something. Yeah.
I think
and I both of us are planning to come up with something.
Aarti, you are working in Google. They collect data, and you are also telling in front of inside this platform that I am planning to do something different.
It's okay, right? Like I'm not creating your.
This is going to be used against you in the next appraisal.
It won't, because I'm not planning to work on something that's a competitive product, right?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Spurs Enterprise, right? Yes. Who is the Spurs Enterprise?
You don't know.
Panil, I guess.
Panil. Yes, what are you doing?
I'm going to drop off now. I have another meeting.
Sure, Aarti.
It's great to connect with everybody. Yes.
Thank you so much for coming here, and I can go all day long seeing all you students, and definitely we'll plan it in a better manner. Another one, just me and all the alumni in coming week.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care, all the alumni. Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye, Aarti. Thank you so much.
Bye, boss.
Yes, Ruchir.
Hello, sir.
Where is so Ruchir and Vaibhav, we've been giving your, in fact, last webinar that we had, Industry 4.0 post-COVID and the role of technology. Devang bhai gave an example of you.
Oh.
That he wanted to do something in life that wasn't related to his education, and he pursued it, and he's doing fairly good for himself.
Correct. So actually the thing is that to be frank, अगर इंसान को कुछ खाता है तो उसका डर है कि हम ये कर लेंगे तो क्या होगा, वो कर लेंगे तो क्या होगा. बस वो डर निकाल देना अंदर से और फोकस करे कि ये करना ही करना है, तो just it. And the good news is also, I had a call. I have a call with Ranveer Singh also at 3 o'clock. We are planning for digital promotions and all. And Shamko, then I have an audition for Yashraj Films at 5 o'clock. That Sunday is going to be
it feels so good. It feels so good when you all are doing so good with your life. It feels very, I'm very proud of it. Even Khushbu comes to the college, or somebody from your company, the group that you're in, the group has become like synonymous. Most of the CITians are there only. Most of the time, you pay so well that nobody wants to do any other job. But when I see you people coming, taking interviews and hiring students, or I see you doing something in your life, not just for college, but even, good for your life. Trust me, we are very proud of what you do. Ruchir, what are you doing right now?
Thank you so much. So, sir, I'd like to add one thing here. So, अभी मेरे company में CIT is on the topmost position. कि जितने भी लोग hire करने CIT में तो पहले जाना है. So we used to ask people also कि योगिता है, मोहित है, आप लोग जाओ, आप लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो, लाइक खुशबू तो हमेशा जाती है, बट आप लोग जाओ और आप नया टैलेंट लेकर आओ. एंड एवरीवन, सर, यू वोंट बिलीव, एवरीवन इज डूइंग so nice. Matlab, Yogita is the now part of the team. Mohit is the manager now. Mohit is managing the team now. So yeah, it is really great to have
Actually,
the.
I asked Anu ma'am also, and I'm telling you also. In fact, what you can do from next year itself is that you can identify the students from pre-final year itself, and for that 1 year, actually you can start giving them online internships and making them ready for the technology that you all actually want in those students to develop. So that when they come and join your company, you can give this suggestion to your management self, that when they join your company, they are actually ready for, you don't have to waste, let's say 6 months or 4 months, 6 months in their training. They're already trained about the culture and everything.
Yeah, it is great actually. Yeah.
And then I can see Ruchit smiling. Ruchit, what are you doing? Ruchit Vimawala, what are you doing? I want to know.
Yes, sir. So after CIT, I worked for 2 years in Ahmedabad. I came to Boston. I became an industrial engineer here. I did my master's from Northeastern University. And
I see you got an accent now.
No, I don't have an accent.
You said masters.
Yeah, sorry for that. I did my master's here. It's good. I'm still getting into it, but yeah, I don't want to. But yeah, so I did my master's in industrial engineering, and I have been working in healthcare industry for past year and a half now. I worked for. I'm a supply chain engineer right now. I worked with a company. I've worked with 3 companies right now, but I'm a senior sourcing specialist and a supply chain data analyst here. And that's what I've been doing. Like my life completely changed. I was an electronics and communication engineer there. What happened? I don't know what happened, but it just turned completely a different way. And I'm working as a supply chain guy here in Boston. So it's
whatever. I always knew that, and I used to tell everyone. In fact, I must have told you also a couple of times that Ruchir Vimawala, these 4 years are just because he has to do engineering. Other than that, it is nothing. He just has to, he just wants to, these 4 years to pass by. That's it.
But it was a lesson. It was a lesson that those 4 years have been a lesson for me. And
initially, first 2 years, you were like, I'm the wrong place at the wrong I'm the wrong person at the wrong place. Everything.
Yes, I actually thought, but that actually 4 years helped me shape a lot. Like I was like, okay, those experiences actually is like, I feel like, okay, I reconnect to it. I compare myself. What did I do? What did I do? And what should I do now? I feel like, okay, yes. And I feel that this experience actually mattered. And now I'm doing actually completely different. And I want to say this to Anu ma'am too, that LinkedIn has helped me a lot here in America. I have networked with a lot of people here, and what you felt and Tejas sir felt, that I am a great person who networks a lot with a lot of people, that I can talk myself out of situations. That skill has actually helped me a lot here, and I can talk to people and I can get myself into certain positions, and that's what I feel that I would like.
No, you never talk me out of any situation.
I have never talked you out of any situation.
If you are in that impression, I always knew what was there in your mind. Don't worry on that.
Yeah. But actually, like, I would like to tell Anu ma'am that, like, if you could organize a seminar on the basis of if I could help the students, help the juniors out, like to create a LinkedIn profile from now, right now, like keep the world as you are posting your Instagram and your Facebook posts and you're letting the world know how are you looking. Let the world know actually what are you doing and what are you learning. So people, you can be into people's eye and people can catch you too. Like they can grab you and you don't have to work as hard as you are doing right now. You can do a smart work. I can help you guys to create like a highlight and other kind of profiles on LinkedIn. It has really, and it's a really big thing. Like people know it's a really big thing in US. Like you network a lot. I have changed 3 companies past 2 years now. And it's just because of the networks. And every opportunity I have got is like a bigger opportunity than the previous one. So I feel that it would be really great for our CIT students to learn this.
Right. We also have like Tushar, who is with us, working with us And he is also trying to shape what we all are trying to do. So good on that. And that's it. That's it from today. Thank you so much, everyone, that you've taken out time and have joined the session. And I would like you all to keep on coming whenever it is. In fact, other than Anu ma'am or somebody from college approaching, I would also suggest that you could yourself also do these things on your own.
Absolutely. Sir, please drop your number in the chat, sir, if you can.
Yeah, I'll drop my number. Just a moment. I think most of you have my number.
Definitely try to visit when I'm back.
Everyone has my number, but I've just dropped my number. If anyone wants to call.
Sure.
So again, I'm so happy to have you all. I'm so happy to have you all. Yes, Panil.
Hello, sir.
How are you, Panil?
Sir, I have to leave. It's 5 a.m. in the morning here.
No problem, Ruchir. You can leave. Anybody who wants to leave, please go ahead. I know you are working, and
thank you, Ruchir.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much.
And it was really great seeing you all. And I hope I can see you guys all again soon. Please, Anu ma'am, include any other future seminars that you are having. I would love to know.
Of course. Thank you so much, Ruchir. Thank you, beta.
Yes, Panil.
Hello, sir. How are you?
What are you doing right now?
So I have started my own company based on boiler cleaning and services and manpower.
Very good. And where is it located? Mount Abu?
No, Ahmedabad. I have a contract here in Mount Abu of gardening. I took a contract.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. No, maybe we can also do something with your services. I'll ask somebody in college to get in touch with you.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, and I suppose that's it. That is all. And thank you so much again. And hope we can have such more sessions of these sorts in coming days.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anu ma'am. Thank you, Tejas sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much. We'll have such session in future also. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye. See you.
Yeah.
See you all.
Yeah. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye.
Bye.